Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cover a song using AI. Are you ready? So let's get started, okay? First, you should open your browser, and then after that, you should go to this website where you can create music, you can cover a song, you can generate lyrics, and so many things. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cover a song. So from the left side, you have to choose this option, AI song cover generator, okay? And in the middle, we have voice model. You can choose, for example, Mark Zuckerberg, Elon Musk, and many things. You can choose singer, as you can see, Selena Gomez, Lilia, Rihanna, and so on. You can use celebrities like Elon Musk, Obama, and. So then here, song to cover, you should upload your music. I'm going to choose this one, okay? And here, gender of this music, male or female. If the voice model is a woman, you should choose female. If it is a man, you should choose male, okay? So I'm going to cover this song using Selena Gomez, for example. Select, okay, and then I'm going to choose female and click on generate. That's how you can cover a song using singers, celebrities, and yeah, so on, using AI. And now I am going to pause the video. Yeah. As you can see, the output is ready. It has been covered, and if you want to play it, just click on that shape. Let's see.
Yeah. Ooh. Coffee on the front porch, shoelace hanging loose.
Yes.
You laugh and kick the doorway, I think.
So if you want to download it, just click on three dots and you can download it. As you can see, it has been downloaded down here. Yeah, that's how you can cover a song using AI. I hope you will like it. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in advance.